I'm wolving it. First you need 2 cups of flour. Next, add in 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. Next, add in 2 teaspoons of paprika. Mix it all together. Now, crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them up. Cut chicken breast into 6 slices. 1 chicken breast will make 6 legs. Now, dip your slice of chicken into egg, then roll in the flour. Like this. You will then dip back into the egg and roll in the flour again, but this time smooch the flour with your fingers like this. So nice thick batter. Now, once the chicken is all covered, you will put into the hot oil. Be very careful. You can use chip pan or wok like me. Deep fry for 4 minutes until nice and golden. There you go. Perfect chicken salads made at home. Make lovely jubbly.